Well, hey there guys, what's going on? So I bring you a 2006 6-liter Econoline van. This is an E-350. So what am I doing today on this van? I was called out here to do a diagnosis on a no start, and unfortunately what I came to conclude that the high pressure oil pump was actually defective on this. It's not like a regular truck. These are very difficult to work on, and these can get super expensive to get in and repair. But as you can see, I had to remove the turbo pedestal, got the EGR cooler out of the way. Once we got all that stuff out of the way, then we were able to remove the cover for the high pressure oil pump and remove the oil pump. So basically that's where we're at now on this. I've got everything apart, and so we're just waiting on a pump, and we're waiting on an EGR delete for this. We'll go ahead and get everything buttoned back up early next week on this, but overall not too difficult of a job to do, but still something that I really don't care to really do. But since this is a friend of a friend, I'll go ahead and take care of it for him. But yeah, that's where we're at with this van. 2006 6-liter Powerstroke E-350. I tell you, these vans, man, they move. Absolutely move. So, but I really appreciate you guys joining me here today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.